Hello, this is Barb. Terrible. Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This video is for my April, what do I want to call this? Yikes, I'm having a little brain freeze. Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This video is for my order club April order people. You'll be receiving this kit in the mail to make this cute card. It is something special that I like to do for my customers. This card design came from the Make It From Your Heart Volume 5, which is finally available. This was sitting on a boat, I think, somewhere. And this is the basis for the design. You can see that mine is a little different, but that's okay because this is my art and I did with it as I wanted to do with it. So let's get started. Your kit will come in the mail, and this is what's in the kit. Everything is pre-stamped and pre-cut with the exception of the little banners. You can cut the little flag ends on those. So you have a piece of paper, you have a card base, an envelope. There are 6 circles and they are all pre-stamped. And on the little flowers, I used some white opal liquid pearls just to give them a little bit of glitz. I thought they needed a little something something. I wasn't happy with them plain. This strip of paper is a little bit long, so you will have to trim that off. The stamp sets that I used, Bunches of Joy. This was a bundle that came out to work with some of our window die cuts. I also used the Simple Serif lowercase letters. I thought the size was nice for this size circle. The circles were a punch that I had, I think a 1 3/8 inch punch. You could use whatever circles you want. I just happened to have that one handy and it seemed to work for me. I'm going to get out my handy dandy super duper bad boy huge tape runner. And this is I think this was from either Mix In or this might have been from the Daisy Meadows. Daisy Meadows. It was just some paper I had that I thought was really pretty and bright and cheery. And we'll put that down. It covers the whole front, just like that. And then I am going to take my tape runner and run a strip of adhesive across the top and place the piece of paper. I leave the paper just a little long so that you can get it on there and not have to be super, super careful. Then you turn it over and take your little scissors and you trim off the excess. It's really easy and you don't have to be quite as worried about being perfect. And then there's a little left hanging here. Trim that off, give it a toss-a-roo, and you've got the base of your card put together. The next thing you want to do is you want to take all your little letters. We also have these little guys, and I'm going to show you how you cut the banner end. I'm sure you know how, but just in case, I cut a slit up the center, and I go from corner to the center, bottom of that cut, and you end up with that cute little banner. And I gave you 2 of those little pieces of paper so that you can have 2 flags. Now I'm going to use my tape runner. You could use glue, you could use pop dots if that's something you want to do. And I am eyeballing. I'm gonna just put them down. If you want to get out a ruler and do some measuring, that's certainly something that you can do, but I'm not going to. I'm going to just eyeball. And for now, H-A-P, and here's the Y for happy. And this card can be used for any number of occasions. And I have this with the 3 little flowers, and I'm going to put the biggest flower facing down. And then after I get that down, I'm not pushing it real hard. I am going to, one at a time, tuck in these flags. This way I can move them around just a little bit. Sometimes you need to be able to maneuver. And I want to keep them so that they're on the card base, but there's a little bit of a gap in between there. You can see how that looks. And that's it. That's as much work as there is to putting this little puppy together. I hope you enjoy putting this card together, and I want to thank you again for your orders. This video will stay private for a few weeks, and then I will make it public. Thank you for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.